in one sense, it's a bold move step in our evolution in Edmonton.
There's a great opportunity here to provide research, education, training, and experience.
The idea is to close the loop on pollution. So anything that industry used to consider waste now becomes a byproduct for another process.
This is a global problem, and I think we should exchange technologies and whatever we can do to help recycling and help the environment for this planet. It's going to be better for everybody.
I think the key element of the Edmonton Waste Management Centre of Excellence is its demonstration of sustainable development.
Think of the center as tackling issues which are very critical to the next century. Greenhouse gas reductions, especially from landfills, and the creation and development of new technology to clean water.
The unique thing about this is that there are very few places in the world where you can have this sort of one-stop shopping approach where you have all these facilities that people can come to and see all these different technologies in a small area.
It's a commitment to the environment, it's a commitment to education and training, it's a commitment to awareness of important environmental issues and sustainability of our environment.
What we have at the Edmonton Waste Management Centre, by and large, are very large, real-time operating facilities that must be operated in the real world.
The center now affords us to take all those ideas we develop with our partners in private sector and other research institutes and universities, take them to a pilot scale, then take them up and try them at the large scale.
What we will be providing, especially at the wastewater treatment plant, is the ability to do that type of real testing under normal operating conditions.
The assets we have, of course, is the plant itself and the space with piping and trained, knowledgeable staff. We have a vision. So it's the people and the physical assets at the plant that provide that opportunity.
We have always been involved actually in some type of research or practitioner training in the city of Edmonton at our waste facilities. But we are formalizing that now by bringing new partners to the table. We have a very, I think, a good mix of academic and practitioners. We have the University of Alberta, the Alberta Research Council, Olds College, and the Northern Alberta Institute of Technology. Added to that are the years of practical experience and knowledge that the city brings to the table.
The Waste Management Centre will provide a fantastic facility to go and show students and to get students some hands-on experience and that sort of stuff. So both from teaching and research, it's an exciting development.
Practical application of theory in the education system is something that hasn't happened a lot in the past and is now just really coming into the limelight. And to be able to offer our students practical application of their theory-based programs, it's just really exciting. There's nowhere that they can go and do this. And so, yeah, it's pretty exciting stuff.
We currently give tours and opportunity to students. We have a number of studies underway with some of the universities. We have cross-training. Our operators actually go to some of the institutes for training to upgrade their knowledge base, working in their existing jobs.
Having the opportunity to work with the Edmonton Waste Management Centre in such a comprehensive way is really beneficial for our students.
People will be exposed to the newest research ideas and newest products. So that would be quite an attraction for companies and municipalities and countries to send their people to get trained.
Here there's a real opportunity for academics who get accused frequently of not living in the real world to actually interact with the real world in a meaningful way. Not just the public sector, not just with the city, but the way the concept of the Waste Management Centre has been set up would give us the opportunity to interact with the private sector as well through the Waste Management Centre. We can get involved in research that is meaningful to the real world and basically become part of a sustainable cycle.
For example, the composter, the landfill processes, the recycling, the wastewater treatment, all those large facilities are amenable to try those pilot scale successes that we go through. So that's really what's exciting about it, is this holistic look at the whole R&D process from invention, innovation, finally to commercialization.
There's a lot in it for the private sector in that they can have access to the centre and try out technology, develop technologies, and then because there'll be a lot of traffic through the centre, a lot of people will be able to see their technology. They can showcase their technology and so on. So I think it's some big spin-off benefits.
So many companies are interested in cooperating because they see the benefit of being able to take and work with scientists and researchers to develop ideas that eventually turns into commercializable technology. The future is in selling technology, not services. There will be a large market for this technology, so our companies would be able to take that technology and commercialize it.
Not only is managing our waste properly the right thing to do, it's going to have a tremendous economic benefit to the city.
It's essential to have the city. The city is really a catalyst. The city contributed tremendously in terms of vision first, secondly in terms of support.
The City of Edmonton has shown great leadership and foresight in bringing together a project of this magnitude involving that many partners and with a commitment to that much money invested in keeping our environment sustained and healthy.
This is a chance for us to develop a smart city.
It's a combination that is unique in the world. The ability of a major urban area to deal with its waste streams within its boundaries.
I want the young people to remember, we started it, you've got to continue it, and you can improve upon it. This is only the beginning.